Hi everyone, I'm Patrina Low, a banker turned chef. In this two-part series, I'll be sharing with you how I can combine my knowledge from my previous career with my passion for cooking to teach you the basics of investing through cooking. Over the years, I've learned that like cooking, investing does not have to be daunting once you master a few key concepts. So let's get started! The first concept I'll be touching on today will be risk. So risks in investments are really like the flavors in today's dish, the Hokkaido Scallop Ceviche. I love making ceviches because it allows me to apply the washoku style of cooking, which is putting all these great flavors together on one dish and making it really balanced. And with investing, your portfolio should be like this, balanced. The key to a really good ceviche is the freshness of the base ingredient. For myself, I really like using these Hokkaido scallops. Look at it, it's nice and firm, very sweet, and there's a nice pink gloss on it. For yourself, choose whatever ingredient you like to use. But the most important thing is it needs to be of high quality. If you tried it, you trust it, then those are the ingredients you should be working with. When I cook, I keep in mind that different guests have different tastes, just like how different people have different risk appetite when it comes to investing. So for those with a bolder palate, you can dial up the spice level. Maybe instead of a long red chili, you can use chili patties. Add more kick with Sichuan pepper powder, and leave citrus juices to do the cooking of the scallops. Alternatively, if they are not that adventurous, you can also lightly torch the scallops and keep the seasoning a bit milder. Same applies to investing. Whether you're a riskier investor or a more conservative one, you can always choose from a range of investment products to match your risk profile. First, dice your red onion, then dice your green apple. Juice and sieve 1 lemon and 1 lime and mix it with yuzu juice. Next, finely chop your mint and coriander. Cut your lemongrass, bash the ends, and use the ends to stir the citrus juices. Then chop your scallops, add all your ingredients into a bowl, and mix well. Remember, this recipe isn't set in stone. You can always adjust it if you find that someone's palate has changed. Maybe your guest now likes spicy food. Likewise, if your priorities in life and risk appetite have changed over the years, it's just a matter of tweaking your portfolio. Ask your relationship manager for advice. That's what they're there for. So knowing your risk appetite is really like knowing your guest's appetite for herbs and spices. Understand this well and your ceviche will pack just the right punch and flavor.